Hello traders, I want to start this video with a simple question. Are you tired of sitting for hours at the charts, watching the price move back and forth, getting lost in indicators and news, and ultimately feeling uncertain about your trades? If you see yourself in this, believe me, you are not alone. Every day, thousands of traders around the world are looking for a way to trade more simply, quickly, and reliably. And you know, I was once on this quest too, but I decided to change everything by creating a single tool. One robot, trading with which brings no stress, but yields profit every day. And let me tell you about it today. But first I want to open my first trade. And in the meantime, you can subscribe and like this video. Well, I'll set all the parameters we need. So we have already selected the currency pair. Let's choose it on the trading robot and of course set the expiration time. Look, we have a signal for a price increase, so let's immediately open a trade for an increase. And now all we have to do is wait for it to finish and be confident in its outcome. Because trading with a trading robot is exactly like that. It's not just some automatic system or script, no, it's a full-fledged trading assistant, created with real market conditions in mind, tested on hundreds of scenarios, and optimized for stable, safe, and profitable trading. This bot works not because it guesses the market, but because it reads the market. How? Thanks to machine learning, a vast array of historical data, and continuous real-time analysis of ongoing events. It processes signals faster than you can blink. And it also evaluates patterns, trends, and price behavior correlations. Things that a regular person spends tens of minutes, sometimes even hours on. And just imagine, you turn on the platform in the morning, connect the trading robot, and simply watch as it does all the dirty routine work for you. And you focus on what matters. You control, distribute profits, plan and make decisions based on the ready and precise technical analysis. And if you are a beginner, it is especially necessary for you. I have seen hundreds of beginner traders who lost their deposits in the first couple of weeks, simply because they didn't understand how to enter and where to enter, how to filter signals, and why the market suddenly went in the wrong direction. This bot solves all these issues. It protects you from impulsive mistakes, also eliminates emotions, and disciplines you. In other words, it shows what a truly justified entry point looks like. This means you not only earn, but also learn. And I'm not recommending it just for the sake of it. I use it myself daily, and now this opportunity is available to you as well. You can connect to it via the link in the description under this video and see for yourself how perfectly it works. Test it yourself and start earning on your own. In the meantime, look, we've already secured our first profit, our trade has closed, and accordingly we have a profit from it. So the first trade is in the positive, the first profit is there. And let's not miss the opportunity to move on to selecting the next asset. Let it be cryptocurrencies. Therefore, we select the asset directly on the broker and now choose it on the trading robot as well. So let's see, we have a list. Let's start selecting and choosing. Look, I've chosen Bitcoin, so let's select it from the list as well. Here it is. We set the expiration time and get a ready trading signal, which we use immediately. The signal is for a price decrease, so let's wait for this deal to conclude. And in the meantime, let me tell you how I tested it. In fact, before launching this trading robot for public use, I spent many months testing it. I ran it through market trading, various strategies, and the most challenging market segments. And there were many refinements. Yes, many adjustments. But the results today are simply astounding. This is a bot that delivers up to 91% successful trades. This is a significant result, especially for those who value stability and security. And as I mentioned, you can connect it right now. The link to it is in the description below this video. And believe me, you are not required to make any payments, subscriptions, or there are no hidden conditions. It is completely free. I made it this way on purpose because I believe trading should be accessible, especially for those who are just entering this world and want to start earning quickly and without losses. You don't need to be a programmer, you don't need to dive into code, you don't need to study for months. Connecting will literally take a couple of minutes. So I advise you not to miss the opportunity and connect it right now. But that's not all. To ensure you're not left alone with questions that may arise, I have created my own Telegram channels where I publish daily trading signals provided by my trading robot, is fresh market reviews, strategy analyses, and money management recommendations. There is also a community of traders just like you. Some are just starting, some are already earning, but you are not alone. And most importantly, I share my analysis, my settings, and my personal results there so you can see everything with your own eyes. I have also left the link to the channel in the description below this video. So go ahead, explore, and see for yourself the effectiveness of trading with this trading robot. In the meantime, I can secure the second plus, the second made profit, so I will be wrapping up today's video here. But there's one more thing I want to say. I know how it sounds. I was a skeptic myself, but do you know what made me believe? The results? First on a demo account, then with a small deposit, and then on the main account. I saw how the trading robot handles news, impulses, and flat markets. I saw how it avoids the traps that I would fall into myself. I saw how it does the job better than I do. And I realized that it's not just an assistant, it's my partner in trading. And I use it daily, earning profits and growing as a trader. And you can do the same. So connect it, test it, and see your results. Well, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.